Here I have XIAOMI Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then switch to the front camera, tap on 3 stripes. But first, just for an example, let me take photo with this effect turned on. Then we go to settings, and here you have this option mirror front camera. So when you have it disabled, like this, how your photos will look like when you have it disabled, and that's how it will look like when you have it enabled. Hope you can see the difference. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.